Alright, the installation is all done. I put everything back together. I have the 3 USBs coming out here. I connected a USB drive to it. Let's turn it on and see. Right, I had CarPlay connected earlier, so it's connecting to my phone automatically. We'll look into that. Let's check the rotation. The rotation works nicely. Excellent. The CarPlay works. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What do taxidermists do for work? Stuff.
Hey Siri, navigate to a restaurant.
One moment. Still working.
All right.
Something went wrong.
Phone.
Please try again.
It's connected wirelessly, but it has some data issues. Hey Siri, navigate to a restaurant.
One possibility is G's Pizzeria Bar and Grill on South Lapeer Road. Starting route to G's
Right,
Pizzeria
Siri
Bar
works.
and Grill.
Let's play some music. That's in YouTube Music.
Head north on Finley Circle, then turn right onto
Thing
Pike
works.
Street.
So CarPlay works. So you can see. Hey Siri, pause the music. Alright. So that was CarPlay. Alright, that was Apple CarPlay, which worked really well. Alright, that was the CarPlay wirelessly connected. Let's check the built-in navigation, which is Google Map. Navigate to a restaurant.
Head north on Finley Circle.
That works really well. Let's check out the radio. Everything works. Let's check the assistant. Tell me a joke.
What's the most musical part of the turkey? The drumsticks.
That was good. The equalizer works. Everything works. I have installed a game on here. The game works really well as well, as you can see. Right. As you can see, there is no lag. I'm not gonna play the game right now. Let's see the video player. Alright, so I'm just gonna play some movie. As you can see, it plays nicely. Let's play some other movies. It has the Google Play Store, so you can install any app you like. I'm going to install the VLC player. It has the voice search app. Open navigation. Google Maps. There it is again. Everything works really good. I love the rotation feature. Right, that concludes the final test. I think overall this is a very solid system. I love all of the features, especially the rotation part. The navigation works well, and it has a speedometer as well on the dashboard. It gets its signal from the GPS. Right, thank you for watching. Bye bye.